Morning all, just another money market update from me, Peter Switzer, on the run this morning. So I'm doing it from an unusual situation. But the important information is the Dow was down 91. It's run about 7 or 8 days in a row without falling. But this is a day of a bit of anxiety around the shutdown. It's of government departments in the US. Not getting any kind of progress between the Democrats and Republicans in solving this problem. All other indexes were down anywhere between 0.3 to 1%. The Aussie dollar is 65.82 US cents. And as I say, the doubts around the shutdown is starting to spook the market just a little bit, and that's why the Dow and others were down. Also, there are doubts about the return on investment from all the AI capital expenditure. That's also putting a bit of nervousness into the US stock market, and defensive stocks are doing well, like utilities. Meanwhile, Ray Dalio, the famous founder of Bridgewater Associates, he says gold is a much more important holding now in portfolios. And he's sort of saying that in the 1970s, you'd have 15% of your portfolio in gold. And he thinks the 1970s and what you did with gold in those days is relevant to today. It's going to be a bit of a surprise to lots of investors to hear that. Also, there was a Fed survey, an inflation survey, which indicated that lots of Americans are very uncertain about their future. That should probably help the Fed think about that rate cut in October. Meanwhile, in contrast, a business survey by the Fed actually showed that businesses are less concerned about Trump's tariffs. That's an interesting development. I guess they're getting used to it and they're actually seeing how it's affecting their businesses generally. So that's me for the day. Our market is expected to open down about 1 point. And I think that there's no clear sign that this market should turn around anytime soon and become very, very positive. That's me for the day. Talk to you tomorrow.